Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an account from Netflix. So let's get started right away. In order to delete any profile from your Netflix account, simply open up your web browser and then type in netflix.com in the address bar and press enter. If you have already logged into your account, you will directly be taken into your home page, or you will need to use your credentials to log in. Now after logging in, just hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage Profiles. You will then be allowed to edit any profile. Just click on the profile that you want to remove and then you can edit this profile the way you wish. Just scroll all the way down and you will find the Delete Profile button. Go ahead and click on Delete Profile and you will be asked for a confirmation if you are sure that you want to delete this profile. Just go ahead and provide the confirmation and your profile that you selected will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a profile on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.